Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to your channel where we dive deep into the wild, weird, and wonderful world of technology and social media. Today, we're talking about something that has completely changed how we create, share, and consume content online. It's the app that turned ordinary people into overnight sensations, made dance challenges a global phenomenon, and let's be honest, kept us all up way past our bedtime. TikTok. But have you ever wondered where TikTok came from? Who created it? And how did it become one of the most downloaded apps in the world? Well, stick around because we're about to uncover the fascinating history and creation of TikTok. All right, to really understand TikTok, we have to rewind back to 2016. Picture this. Smartphones were already a huge part of our lives. Short-form video content was gaining popularity, and an ambitious Chinese tech company called ByteDance had an idea. ByteDance was founded by Zhang Yiming in 2012, and by 2016 they had already seen massive success with their news aggregation app, Toutiao. But Zhang Yiming and his team wanted to tap into a different market, something creative, social, and engaging. That's when they launched Douyin, a short video platform in China that allowed users to create and share 15-second videos with music, filters, and effects. Douyin became a massive success in China. Within a year, it had over 100 million users who watched over a billion videos every day. That's when ByteDance knew they had something special. ByteDance wanted to take this idea beyond China, so in 2017, they launched an international version of Douyin and gave it the name TikTok. TikTok had to stand out. Unlike traditional social media platforms, TikTok focused purely on short-form videos that captured attention within seconds. The app's simple interface, endless scrolling, and intelligent algorithm made it instantly addictive. As a result, its user base started to grow rapidly. At the same time TikTok was growing, another app was already making waves in the short video space, Musical.ly. If you were online in the mid-2010s, you probably remember Musical.ly. It was all about lip-syncing to popular songs, and it had a huge user base in the US, especially among teenagers. The app was originally created by two friends, Alex Zhu and Lu Yu Yang, and launched in 2014. Musical.ly wasn't just about lip-syncing, it was a whole culture. The app allowed users to add creative effects, use trending sounds, and participate in viral challenges. Popular Musical.ly stars gained massive followings, leading to the rise of influencers who made a living off their content. ByteDance saw Musical.ly's massive success and realized it would be the perfect way to expand TikTok's reach. So in November 2017, ByteDance bought Musical.ly for $1 billion. By August 2018, they merged the two apps, officially rebranding Musical.ly as TikTok. Musical.ly's existing user base, primarily from the US, was seamlessly transitioned to TikTok, making it a global powerhouse almost overnight. After the Musical.ly merger, TikTok absolutely took off. Thanks to its highly advanced algorithm, which learns what kind of videos you like and keeps you scrolling for hours, the app became insanely addictive. By 2019, TikTok had reached over 500 million users. Celebrities, influencers, and brands started hopping on board, and trends like the Renegade Dance, VS Girls, and E-Boys and E-Girls became cultural staples. One of the key reasons TikTok exploded was its For You page, FYP. Unlike other social media platforms that focus on follower-based content, TikTok's FYP is powered by AI. This means anyone, yes, even you watching this, can go viral overnight, regardless of how many followers they have. Then came 2020, a year that changed everything. When the world went into lockdown, TikTok became the ultimate escape. People were stuck at home looking for entertainment and connection, and TikTok delivered. It skyrocketed in popularity, crossing 2 billion downloads worldwide. During the pandemic, TikTok wasn't just for entertainment. It became a hub for activism, education, and mental health awareness. From doctors giving COVID-19 updates to chefs sharing easy quarantine recipes, TikTok became more than just a dance app. It became a platform for learning, inspiration, and connection. Of course, with great success comes great challenges. TikTok has faced its fair share of controversies, from data privacy concerns to being banned in multiple countries. In 2020, the US government even considered banning TikTok over security concerns. But so far, the app has managed to stay in the game. One of the biggest concerns about TikTok has been its data collection practices. Governments around the world worried about how ByteDance handled user data, leading to bans in countries like India, which once had one of the largest TikTok user bases. In response, TikTok has taken steps to address security concerns, including opening transparency centers and shifting some of its data storage to other countries. Despite these hurdles, TikTok continues to evolve, introducing new features like longer videos, live streaming, and e-commerce integrations. Today, it's not just a platform for viral dances, it's a space for education, activism, and even business growth. Brands are now using TikTok as a key marketing tool, leveraging influencers to promote products and services. TikTok has also launched monetization opportunities, allowing creators to earn money through the Creator Fund, brand deals, and TikTok Live gifts. And let's not forget the rise of TikTok stars. Content creators like Charlie D'Amelio, Addison Rae, and Cabby Lame have turned their TikTok fame into full-fledged careers, securing brand deals, launching their own businesses, and even breaking into mainstream entertainment. So what's next for TikTok? Will it remain the king of short-form content, or will the next big thing come along to dethrone it? Only time will tell. And there you have it, the wild journey of TikTok from a simple idea in China to a global phenomenon. What do you think the future holds for TikTok? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a deep dive into the world of tech and social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.